Start of tonight's meeting, at least one board member who voted to reject the grant denied there was anything racist or political about the decision.
They simply did not happen, and there are no circumstances that can ever be misconstrued as inappropriate in all of my years as being a Scout leader.
A Lafayette attorney tonight denying a rape allegation that surfaced in a complaint from the Boy Scouts. That attorney, Barry Rosa, is out on bond.
And he is adamant about his innocence. Rosa was arrested this week on a first-degree rape charge. We've learned his arrest is part of an investigation by Lafayette deputies after the Boy Scouts turned in more than 24 complaints in November to law enforcement, those complaints spanning decades. 3's on the street tonight. Iman Boyd has more from Rosa and the Boy Scouts tonight. Iman.
In a news conference here at his attorney's office, Rosa says that this allegation was made over a hotline set up by the Boy Scout. Now, Rosa's case is not the only one that is pending.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming.
Barry Rosa was joined by his wife and children to deny allegations of rape from his time in the Boy Scouts.
They simply did not happen, and there are no circumstances that can ever be misconstrued as inappropriate in all of my years as being a Scout leader.
Rosa and his attorney say the anonymous complaint dates back to 2004, and he offered full cooperation with law enforcement.
I offered to provide voluntary statements to law enforcement without an attorney present, and I've offered to provide multiple witnesses who will completely contradict the false allegations that have been made against me.
Rosa has been with the Boy Scouts since 1999. With his arrest, Rosa has been banned from scouting, the Scouts calling the allegations reprehensible and counter to everything for which the Scouts stand. Rosa says he won't rest until his name is cleared.
I'm a devoted husband, a father, and a grandfather, and I'm an attorney here in town. I'm a devout Catholic from a good family here in South Louisiana. I've spent my whole life in service to God, my family, and my community. And I close by reiterating, I'm innocent of all charges.
The Evangeline Council also says that they will be meeting with local Scout parents to let them know of Rosa's arrest. Right now, Rosa does not have a court date set up. In Lafayette, Iman Boyd, KATC TV3.
This could be the first of several arrests. The Evangeline Council of Boy Scouts turned over 28 complaints to law enforcement from 20 accusers. Those allegations were made between 1955 and 2012. Officials with the Evangeline Council tell us the complaints were provided to them last fall as part of the bankruptcy process for Boy Scouts of America. The investigation is ongoing. And KATC Investigates uncovered this is not the first criminal complaint involving people affiliated with the Evangeline Council. Over on our web story on KATC.com, you can read up on previous arrests we've reported on with the Scouts dating back to 2013 and 1990.